Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're facing today is that the Acer N19H2 won't turn on. This can happen for a number of reasons, such as a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or even internal component failures. If left unresolved, this can lead to further damage, making the repair more complex and costly down the line. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few essential tools. Ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. Now let's get started with the step-by-step repair. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the Acer N19H2. Carefully lift the back panel using the plastic spudger, taking care not to damage any internal components. Once you've removed the back panel, locate the battery. It is usually situated towards the bottom of the device, connected by a cable. Gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling it straight out. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it's best to replace it with a new one. When extracting the battery, be mindful of any surrounding components, as excessive force can lead to damage. Once the old battery is out, insert the new one, ensuring the cable is firmly connected. Check all connections and screws to make sure everything is secure before replacing the back panel. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Secure the back panel with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Finally, power on your Acer N19H2 to check if it turns on correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check your device's battery health and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Additionally, always use the correct charger to maintain battery longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.